In this video, I am going to talk about a problem that a couple of our viewers have had, and that is the fact that if you have a situation like this, where the upper part of the stairway is even or level with the upper floor landing or platform, then it is no longer a step. Instead, it will be part of that floor or platform. For example, if I have 5 steps like we have here that are all 10 inches each, and it fits within this dimension here, 50 inches, and I needed to shorten this measurement for whatever reasons, then the only way it's going to affect the stairway will be at the top, unless I change the dimensions on the steps. And for example, in this stairway here, we only have 4 steps, 5 risers and 4 steps. Again, because the upper section of the stairway is level or even with the top floor. So for example, if I needed to, I could fit this entire stairway within a 40-inch measurement. And for those of you who are having a difficult time figuring out what I'm talking about, then this should make all of the difference in the world. This is the floor, landing or platform, and this is the stairway. And within the stairway, it's going to make a big difference to the building department and your building inspector if all of the riser and tread measurements are exactly the same, and they will not be worrying about this area up here, because even though this might be framed differently, this is still going to be the floor, landing, or platform. And that will be the same if you make the dimension a little longer, like we did here. And hopefully this is starting to make sense, because I think the biggest problem you're going to have with this explanation is exactly where the stairway starts and where the stairway stops.